So we're going to make something interesting today. We're going to use Food Lion 3 cheese to make baby pizzas. We're going to use some Food Lion pizza sauce and some pepperonis. Okay, let's get this box open. Now, yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. Both ends look the same, kind of like a hyena. Oh, Lordy. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to cut into this package. I'm going to pack it most likely with Ziploc this, or put it in the garlic. I get a smell, a very strong smell of garlic. I'm going to take one of these. Okay, I'm going to scroll this down so you can see what's going on here. Got 1, 3 cheese. We're going to take, and it doesn't. This does not have to be Food Lion. I just do Food Lion because it's just a convenience store next to me. We're going to put a little bit of this pizza sauce on it. And I know some of you out here who do not use pizza sauce at all. I don't know how that works for you, but if it works for you, it works for you. I cannot eat a plain cheese pizza with no sauce. That's good. But, you know, I'm not going to place judgment on that. We're going to put a couple of pepperoni slices on this. And because I'm greedy, I'm going to put 4 in there. And we're going to put this in the conventional oven. Let this bake a little bit. If I can find some cheese, hold on one second. Let me see if I got any cheese. Because got a little bit of cheese. This is not the cheese of choice, but I'm going to put it on there anyway. Put a little bit of that. This is okay. A little bit on there. I'm going to put this in the air, in the conventional oven. Get this cooking, and we'll be back for a quick taste test. What's up, peeps? I made some Texas toast bread pizza. Quick sniff test. Not bad. That's bad. Let's give a quick test. Oh, it's crunchy. Almost gives it that pizza type base to it. Now, I cooked this roughly at 350 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. But it's not bad at all. This almost reminds me of a French toast pizza. Wow, that was hot. That's not bad at all. At all. I used standard pepperoni, and I actually put some Parmesan cheese. What kind of cheese was that I put on it? I don't remember what cheese I put on it. It wasn't mozzarella, but it doesn't matter because it still tastes absolutely delicious. Again, I used Food Lion Texas Toast 3 cheeses. This is absolutely delicious. So if you look at making like little pizza appetizers or things of that nature, this will be oh my God. This would be an excellent alternative, especially making appetizers during football games or events. Wow, this is really delicious. But I have to warn you, it is hot. But quite delicious. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how well this came out. I did this strictly off rip. I didn't have any idea. I saw this in the store. Let me buy it. I was thinking about doing a hamburger thing with it, which I'm still going to do. But the pizza thing came off of me and out of nowhere, and they're like, Juan, do a pizza. But honestly, this is really... That is absolutely delicious. I'm not gonna play with your emotions. 3 cheese, Texas toast, pepperoni, and pizza sauce is all you need to make a wonderful appetizer that will make people flip around in their boots. That's all I have to tell you. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself. And Ron, cooking with Ron, I'm always coming out with something crazy. But this is absolutely delicious. You ought to try it. Take care. Bye.